Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to buy crypto in Webull in 2025. If you're excited about getting into cryptocurrencies but unsure where to start on the Webull platform, you're in the right place. Webull has evolved a lot by 2025, with more user-friendly features, enhanced security, and even AI-driven insights to help you make smarter trades. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a Webull account. If you don't, head to the Webull app or website and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Just provide your email, set a strong password, and verify your identity. With 2025's updates, they've added biometric logins for extra security, so your crypto investments stay safe. Once you're logged in, fund your account. You can link your bank account or use a debit card. Webull now supports instant deposits in many regions, thanks to partnerships with major banks. Keep an eye on any fees. By 2025, they've reduced transaction costs to make crypto more accessible. Now, navigate to the crypto section. It's prominently featured in the app's dashboard. Search for the cryptocurrency you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Webull offers a wide range, including newer tokens with real-time data and predictive analytics. Before buying, do your research. Check the current price, market trends, and set your budget. Click on Buy and enter the amount. In 2025, Webull's interface includes risk assessment tools that show potential volatility, super helpful for beginners. After confirming your purchase, you'll see it in your portfolio. Remember, crypto is volatile, so set stop-loss orders to protect your investments. And always withdraw to a personal wallet for long-term security. There you have it. That's how to buy crypto in Webull in 2025. It's easier than ever, but stay informed and invest wisely. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.